about 8 inches of snow this week. Yesterday, I was talking to a friend of mine who lives in the Midwest, and he was telling me just how gloomy it was out there. It was overcast and wet and rainy and gray skies. And since Colorado has gotten an unseasonable amount of snow this year,
that spring-style snow here in the middle of January, our total for the month is now almost at 11 inches, and we're nearly at 35 inches of snow in Denver so far this season.
I thought it would be fun to share what we do on some of our snow days.
Some mornings, it's just too hard to get out of our comfy bed, but the day welcomes us with a gorgeous sunrise. It's time to get moving and exercise indoors. Phew, that was exhausting. Time for a nap. Next, we have a few chores to take care of. Let's go inside for some treats.
Sit. Good boy. Shake. 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 Good boy. Good girl. Sit, Lou. Good girl.
When it's snowing all day, we normally try and cook a meal or two. This week, we baked some homemade bread. Let's head outside to stretch our legs and enjoy the views.
Come on, Buzz, let's go. Come.
Hey guys, they're coming. Oh, I missed that.
maybe it's time for one last nap. We end the day with some pretty incredible sunsets. Thanks for watching!